Now, if you're after a cut flower that has a lot of kilometres in it, which means that it's going to last a lot longer than its neighbouring friends, you can't stop and disregard the orchid. Orchids come in all ranges, starting from Vanda orchids to Dendrobium orchids, Cattleya orchid, Cymbidium orchid, Phalaenopsis orchid, and the list goes on. And today I'm going to be introducing you to the Vanda orchid. Now, if you come across one that looks a little bit droopy, like it needs a holiday, the first thing that you need to do is drown it into water like so. And I advise you to drown it for a few hours actually, and if it's not any too fuss, drown it overnight. But usually, if they're not looking a little bit like it needs a holiday, mostly orchids need to all be drowned except dancing ladies. So any orchid that you buy fresh and it seems to be crisp, I strongly encourage you to drown it into water because it's going to last you a lot longer. Now, once it's been drowned, then you recut the stem, and because it's male, you cut it flush. And every second day, you need to mist it with water. So there's my spray bottle, and it needs to be sprayed like that. Keep in mind that air conditioning, heating absorbs moisture from orchids, so you need to keep them constantly hydrated, and sensibly every second day to mist them with water, filtered water that is highly on the list. Now, if you're after some energy, spring in your step, you need to think of the colour yellow, because that's what yellow provides to you, your spirit. And in this case, I'm going to have a lot of spring in my step for the day. Hope you've enjoyed today's tip.